Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to customize the Lightbox background in the Divi Gallery module by setting a semi-transparent background color. This method enhances the design and usability of your gallery by harmonizing it with your brand palette, improving focus on your content, and creating better contrast for captions and controls. Let's dive in and see how you can apply this feature to your site. To customize the Lightbox background in your Divi Gallery, you can use the Lightbox background color option provided by either the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins. This approach is completely code-free, making it quick and easy to implement while keeping all styling within the Divi interface. Additionally, this method enables you to check your changes on the live site to ensure the overlay displays your chosen color correctly. If you're interested in exploring these plugins further, you'll find more details in the accompanying post. To start customizing your Lightbox, the first step is to add a gallery module to your page using the Divi Builder. Once the module is added, you can choose the images you'd like to feature in your gallery. You have the option to select images from your existing media library or upload new ones. After making your selections, the images will automatically appear in the preview for your gallery module, giving you a clear view of how they'll look on your site. Next, select your gallery module in the Divi Builder and navigate to the Design tab. Within the Design settings, locate the Lightbox section and expand it. This area is where you'll manage the settings to customize the background overlay that appears when an image is opened in the Lightbox. Now, in the Lightbox section of your gallery module settings, look for the Lightbox background color option. Open the color picker, where you'll have the ability to choose a custom color for your background. You can enter a specific hex code, for instance, num005A2D for a deep green tone. Once you've selected a color, adjust the transparency by using the opacity slider or typing in the exact percentage you'd like, such as 85. This gives you full control over both the color and transparency, allowing you to perfectly match your Lightbox background to your site's design and branding. When you're satisfied with your Lightbox settings, go ahead and publish the page. Then navigate to your site's front end, click on any gallery image, and you'll see your customized semi-transparent overlay in action. Take a moment to confirm that the color and transparency look exactly as you've set them. Your images and captions should now stand out against a beautifully branded Lightbox background, enhancing the overall presentation of your gallery. And there you have it. You now know how to customize the Gallery Lightbox overlay color and opacity in Divi to perfectly match your site's design. It's a simple and effective way to enhance the look and feel of your gallery while staying true to your brand. Thanks for watching.